Здравствуйте, товарищи. Это Грам Молоток, and I have been waiting for this one for a very long time. The map should be a dead giveaway. If it's not, Eatsall Games, this is the Han Cluster All-In Physical Reward tier. Let's see what's inside. And yes, this is here to prevent doxing, so I'm going to move the box because there's not really enough space to have it and this stuff on the table anyway. As always, the White Pass and Yukon Leatherman Wingman is our opening knife. Okay, first thing in the box, the packing list. Best deal, all the books, all the figure flats, all the maps, name it. Figure flats are PDF only, of course that's what I say. Anyway, bunch of packing peanuts, just for fun. See? And then underneath those, interestingly enough, not on top, and not on the bottom. Man, I'm not good at this. Okay, there's the full package. You can see right up front, extra bubble wrap on the bottom. That's why there were no peanuts down there. Now the gold standard so far for packaging has been the Exodus TTRPG, which packed the core book like it was an art book. Extra packaging, extra everything. But it's not as good as this. The Plot Point campaign. Look at that cover. Spot UV, picked up rather well by the lights, including on the back. Oh, that's nice. There's the map. The artwork in this book is incredible. 3 ribbons ranging from light green to yellow to orange. These have plot point significance. The actual core book for Han Cluster. This is, of course, the Savage Worlds setting. Spot UV on this one as well, including note the kid who's looking Haley's way. Next diver on the back. The Iconics. Vinny. Blue shading to green for these 3 ribbons. If you know, you know. This is all you need to play. And of course, the Savage Worlds Adventure Edition core book. This is for GMing. So, are these. These aren't going to fit on camera in my setup. But that's the core, you can see right there. And there's a detail from the Tropics Ballroom. Here's a poster-sized map of the entire Han Cluster and a detail from the Shock Barge. All of these are important locations in the Plot Point campaign and can be used with other science fiction settings. Campaign cards, archetype cards. You've got a choice of 9 different types. Note there are only 6 in the Kickstart, Jumpstart. Let's open this up. This is terrible TV. Want to know why I have so few subscribers? Because I'm bad at this. Really bad. Michael Jackson bad. Credits. Courtesan, Next Diver, Next Tech, Neonex Monk, Pilot, Field Scientist, Next Hacker, Edenic Cadet, Draxel Tapper. No aliens. Robots, though. Artificial intelligences. And the campaign cards. 22 additional cards for use. Major NPCs from this system. The Han cluster, I guess, rather than system. AID means something in the game. Shift intensity settings. 1 through 6. Note, they match the colors of the ribbons. Those are going to go in these. To be stored in this from the player's box. Folks, I've been waiting for this one for a very long time. I am so pleased to see the incredible quality of the books, cards, the maps. Matches the quality of the writing. And right there, there's my name. I love it. I had a very small part to play in the playtesting. Happy to have been there. I only have one problem. This is the problem. I need to make room on my shelves. I'm sure I can figure it out. Let me know what you think. До свидания.